To remove the wireless LAN board, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Carefully snap off the antenna connectors from the board. Pull the antennas out of the metal cable guides on the base pan above the wireless LAN board. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw securing the board in place. The board will pop up. Pull the board out of its motherboard socket. The wireless LAN board has a notch offset from the center that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle and press down. Hold it down while replacing the Phillips No. 1 screw. Reattach the antenna connectors to the board. The antennas are marked 1 and 2 and should be connected to the 1 and 2 stenciled ports on the wireless LAN board. Make sure the antennas are tucked into their metal cable guides above the wireless LAN board.